Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is the first time I've done a what sold video in a super long time. This what sold video is going to be way different than some of my other ones. This what sold video is packed with items that you need to pick up to sell online. Some of these items sell really well, and I'll tell you in the video which ones sell really well. I'm also going to show you some clips. We went away for the weekend, and I'm going to show you some clips of where we went. So this video is actually going to have clips here and there of different things we've seen, saw, just different things in general. Hopefully you guys enjoy this new little twist on our videos, just not me sitting in my office showing you or grabbing the item. This video, I think, is probably one of our better ones, hopefully after I edit it. So sit back, relax, and I hope you find one of these items to sell on eBay. Yeah. So the next thing going out is this Louis Vuitton paper gift bag. We got this for free from a family member, $10.99 plus shipping. Then the next thing was this Lionel train car, locomotive only, $15 plus shipping. Then we sold a Ron Paul autographed 8x10 photo. This came in a lot of autographs that we got. This one was inscribed, so we didn't get as much as we probably could have for it. $10 plus shipping. So the next thing we sold was this Walt Disney World picture frame, $8.99 plus shipping. We ended up getting this in a bulk buy with some other Disney picture frames. They didn't sell as well as I was hoping them to, but most of them have sold. I think we only have one or two left. So the next thing going out was these self-adhesive teardrop pick guards for acoustic guitars. We sold two of them, $4.24 plus shipping on each of these. We were out here at the cabin playing some pool, just having a good time. Hopefully you're enjoying the footage throughout this video of our little trip to the mountains. I got to show you some of the mountains, some of the lake, just a bunch of other random stuff. Who knows what else you're going to see. So the next thing going out is a Tommy Armour golf club driver cover, $5.99 plus shipping. The next thing going out is this PS2 game, Mobile Suite, $25 plus shipping. We picked this up for maybe $3 at a yard sale. I'm not even remember. It hasn't been too long. Got it listed and it sold pretty quickly.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
Next up, we have this Hillbilly Jim figure, $8.99 plus shipping. This is one of those vintage figures. Keep your eyes open for these ones. Then we have this pair of Coach sunglasses. Looked like it had a dragonfly symbol on it, $40 plus shipping. Last but not least, in this spot here, boats, mountains, everything, it is a Carmella signed autographed 8x10 photo. This one went for $13 plus shipping, only because it had a slight smear and skip in the pen. Next, we sold this John Rosengrant signed 8x10 of him as baby Yoda, $9.99 plus shipping. You like plus shipping? Sold these Brother applications for $32. We took a offer on those. The dog, I was hoping the dog was going to do that one, but she didn't. $32. We have $10 into a large box of these, so super happy. This is going to be, we still have a bunch of other stuff that we listed that was in the box, so we're expecting to really do well with that. I figured since I've been showing you guys tons of places while we were on vacation, the next thing I'm going to show you is these Yeti Rambler Magslaughter lids. We picked these up a while ago. These colors did sell quick early, but then they took a dive, and this is our last pack of these ones, $15.99 plus shipping. Then we have this open box. It's a Kingston brass faucet. I picked this up at the Amazon bin store. It was open, and I thought everything was in there, but when I got home and opened it up, not every part was in there. I still ended up getting $25 plus shipping on this and only have about $3 invested into it. Next up, who would have ever thought that a cassette tape would sell in 2022? This is a Thomas Rhett cassette tape. We sold it for $9.99. This came in a package deal that I bought that came with signed sheet lyrics, a t-shirt, and some other stuff. I've pretty much have sold everything and kept the sheet lyrics and have made my money on it. So don't sleep on newer cassette tapes. Well guys, this is the second one you've seen in this video. This is a Carmella Autographed 8x10. She's a WWE diva. $19.99 on this one, or $19 on this one, sorry. This wasn't one of the better ones, but her signed photos normally go for about $20. So the next thing we have going out is a Sidney Crosby youth jersey, $25 plus shipping on this one. I always look at kids' jerseys when I go to the thrift stores because they always sell for me and they usually sell pretty fast. This one didn't even have a snag in it. We put that in the auction description and it still sold within a week of listing it. Oh, this one's not too much to write home about. This is the Active Life Wii game, $1.91. This came in a huge Wii bundle that we picked up, and when I listed each game individually, have sold a good amount of them and made some money on them. This one just did not sell as well, but hey, it's still moving. Next up, we have 3 pewter figures. I gotta look, $22.23. We sold these as a lot. Somebody made an offer on these ones, and guess what? I accepted it, and they're all going out. These are super easy to ship, super lightweight, and easy to package up and get out there. Next up is a Star Wars lightsaber. We ended up getting $9.99 for this. We picked up a ton of these at Walmart clearance. They're selling slowly but surely. We don't have many left. Next up was these vintage Spice of Life. This is the Creamer and Sugar Bowl set. We ended up getting $10.99 for this. I picked up a lot of these Corningware early on and have sold them. I thought these were going to do much better, but they didn't. We stuck around for a while, but they're finally moving out of here. Yep, guess what? I just did one of these just a second ago. This was another lightsaber at $8 plus shipping. We accepted an offer. $8 was about the lowest we were going on these. And yeah, they're moving. I think we have about $1 or $1.50 into each of these. So we didn't make much money, but we had a ton of them. So it all adds up. Vintage Delta Airlines playing cards. These were 2 packs, brand new, $6.09. I think we have about $1 into them, maybe a little less. Picked these up and these sold super fast. Do not ignore airline memorabilia. This is an awesome vintage item. This is a 1960s Lipton teacup. We had 2 of them. We sold both of them $8.48 to the same buyer. Combined shipping on that, and they're heading out, and the buyer's definitely gonna be happy with these. These are in very good shape for being almost 50, actually almost 60 years old. Maybe I should have linked these all together. Another lightsaber, $9.99, same story as the other 2. Yes, we sell everything, including socks. This was a pair of NBA logo socks from the Los Angeles Lakers, $4 plus shipping. This was a retail arbitrage purchase from Ross. I will not pick these socks up again. I thought they were gonna sell way better than they did, and they didn't. And I still have a couple pairs left. Dry erase markers is next. We sold 10 of them for $10, took $1 each. We have about a quarter into them. This is from Walmart purchase also. The buyer messaged me about 2 hours before they got delivered and said she wanted to cancel because she put in her offer, or they put in their offer, that they wanted free shipping. Well, these things had to ship priority mail, so I haven't heard anything since. Who knows if I will, but they went out, they were delivered within 2 days of the buyer purchasing. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. Next up, this was a great purchase. This was a Lionel train car, $125.99. Now, I'll link the video somewhere in this thing probably, but we picked up 4 train cars for 50 bucks. Well, guess what? This one sold for $125.99. So we basically tripled our money and we still have the other 3 left. This was an awesome 16x20 that went out. $60 plus shipping, the Nature Boy Ric Flair. If you guys don't know, he just wrestled his last match. It actually sold the day after his last match. So kind of coincidence, but yeah, 60 bucks for that 16x20. This next item we picked up, really cheap. It was this little Fanny Pack. Nice little hat here for myself, $9 plus shipping. Yeah, that was an easy shipper too. Next up we have this Kevin Nash signed 8x10 $10 plus shipping. His stuff sells consistently, but just not for a lot of money. So if you see him, pick them up, and they'll probably sell for about $10 to $12 for an 8x10. Back to school signs, $2.54. This came from a Walmart purchase. We have a bunch of them. I thought they would start selling even better now that school's going back, but guess what? They're not. So if you're looking for a school sign, let me know. Nintendo DS, Indiana Jones, case only. Yes, I did message the buyer after they purchased it, made sure they know that it was just the case and not the game. $3.09. They said they had the game, they just needed the case. So hey, sometimes empty cases actually sell. This next one was a super quick flip. These were the Color Street samples, a lot of 131. It went for $42.96. My wife sells Color Street. She's getting out of it now. She just kind of lost interest in selling it. So we had a bunch of stuff laying around she wanted to sell. $42.96 was a really good deal here, and these sold within a couple hours of listing. Next up, the Beatles Yellow Submarine album. Now this album was not in that great a shape, but I knew it was still gonna sell. We picked up a bunch of records out in Ohio, $7.99. So we basically paid for all the albums, and we still have about 6 more left. I said a bunch of albums. We picked up like 6 or 7 albums. Next up, Focus T25 disc, Dynamic Core. We ended up getting $3 plus shipping. You guys know I love selling Beachbody discs. I know sometimes people don't like selling them, but I will. We had a whole set. We sold them as replacement discs, and they consistently sold between $3 and $4 a piece. Mini green Tupperware with a lid, $3.99. This probably was about 1 inch tall by 1 inch in diameter. Not huge, but a perfect one for like salad dressings and stuff like that. Never underestimate some Tupperware. Some Tupperware sells for great money, some doesn't. Also guys, sorry if I'm going through this a lot. I know I have a lot of items to cover, and I wanted to do more while I was on vacation, but we just were focusing on other stuff, so I'm just trying to get through some of these. Next up was the Stat Medevac, the helicopter license plate, $8 plus shipping. I think we have 50 cents or $1 into this, and this one sold really, really quick. Next up was a vintage lot of Furby Burger King toy dolls. There was 3 of them. They did make noise, I think, or moved or something like that. $4.99 plus shipping. And I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this view behind me. I'm down near the Ohio River. The water's actually kind of low down here, so I was actually able to finally come down here and film some of this. So I wanted to show you just some of the area around where we're at. And I showed you in some of the other ones, I'm not sure if it's gonna be after this or before this in the video, just where we went on vacation at, some with the lake and just with some other awesome stuff. But man, this is an awesome spot. And I didn't realize you could fish down here, so I'm gonna have to bring the kids down here to fish some. Next up was 2 Shinsky Nakamura photos, $11.99 for both of them. Not a bad deal. His stuff really does not sell that much, and I expected to get more out of them, but I know this buyer's happy. They already left feedback, and I'm glad somebody can enjoy them. This one I thought was going to sell for a lot more. It was the Reveal engine that we got. It was a visible V8 engine, plastic model kit, brand new, but this also came in the $50 buy with the trains that I'm also showing in this video. $49.99 plus shipping. These ones are really good to keep your eyes out for. Well, it's been a while since I've sold one of these. Cutco knife. This is a chef knife, $32.99 plus shipping. Also, we sold a water drop shower head filter. This was the, we bought these for our shower head. We got our bathroom remodeled, so we didn't need these anymore. $9.99 plus shipping. This is the second one that we sold. Cheap sale, $1.29. Wander Franco and Vlad Guerrero Jr. 2022 Topps card, just a base, $1.29 plus shipping. Another photo that went out was the Heath Slater WWE promo photo, $12 plus shipping on that one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this What's Sold video. I tried to do it a little bit different, just because we were away for the weekend and wanted to just show you some stuff. And I thought to myself, you know what? This is a perfect time to just change up the video idea a little bit. Instead of just sitting in my office or somewhere on my back porch, I wanted to show you some things around the area and just some cool different shots. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, smash that thumbs up down below and also hit subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. And also, leave a comment. We read all the comments. We will respond to every single comment unless you're a spam bot. But yeah, we're having fun with this, and we enjoy it. It's something that we really enjoy doing. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. Keep your eyes peeled for some other videos. Remember, we do 2 a week, normally on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and hopefully we'll see you back here. Bye, guys.